So now I've launched CapCut and I'm going to drag and drop the lip synced video from LipDub into my timeline. And the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this and paste it 2 times. Just follow along. So copy, Command C, and Command V once, Command V twice. Now, first let's hide all the layers except the top one. So we hide the second and the first, and let's make sure that we have the top layer selected. Go to Video, remove background, and click Auto Removal. What this is going to do is that this is going to remove the background while keeping the subject in focus. Then let's go back to the Basic tab right here, and let's scale the video down to 77% and position it in the bottom left corner. So right here. Now let's hide the top layer and let's unhide the middle layer. Again, select the layer, go to Remove Background, Auto Removal, and let it do its thing. Unhide all the layers. So the first one and the top one. Well, I know it looks a bit weird right now, but bear with me. Select all these 3 layers all together, right click and choose Create Multi-Camera Clip. As the name suggests, this will create multi-camera preview, so just click Create. Now, in the top left corner, you'll see 3 camera views, and you can easily switch and cut between them. This is a very popular editing style for UGC content. So now, if you want to switch between camera angles and apply changes, because right now we're not applying changes, the entire section here is being changed. But let's say that I'm going to play the video.
Hey guys, so I just tried this drink called Prime.
And now I want camera number 3. So let's make sure that we have the multi-camera layer not selected. So this is not selected. Click outside of it and boom, click the camera angle that you want to switch to. So now it's going to cut the video to the camera angle that you want. Exactly the same thing. We just repeat the process. Play the video.
Let me tell you, it's like hydration, but fun. Like,
boom, switch the camera.
Who knew water needed a glow out? Like this.
Switch the camera again. Now I'll fast forward through the rest of the process. So what I did here is that I made sure to cut the video in a way that keeps it engaging. I made sure to move the actor around a few times so that if there are inconsistencies in the lip dub, we can hide them more effectively. Making the video small also helps. Another trick I like to use is to rotate the frame slightly to add a bit of variety and draw attention away from imperfections, or make the frame a bit smaller. Let me play it back for you so you can see how it looks.
Hey guys, so I just got to try this drink called Prime, and let me tell you, it's like hydration, but fun. Like, who knew water needed a glow out? Like, this stuff's amazing, and it's got electrolytes to keep you feeling good, even when life's a lot, you know? So if you're tired of boring drinks that taste like nothing, grab Prime. Seriously, is the easiest way to feel human again. Stay hydrated, folks.
Right? This looks good. So the next step is to add B-roll behind the clips with a black background. The B-rolls can be AI generated, or they can just be raw footage. Let's get into it. So before creating the B-roll, we'll use Descript, which is an app that's going to allow us to transcribe the audio from our video. So let's drag and drop our lip dub video into the app. And while it transcribes, I want you to know that this transcription will make it easier for us to identify moments in the audio that need visual enhancements. So then what we will do, as this is transcribing, we're going to copy the transcription and paste it into ChatGPT to generate B-roll prompts that then we will use in image and video generative platforms. Because we want everything to be so easy and automated, so we don't have to write prompts ourselves, but have ChatGPT do it. Now, ChatGPT will know the context of the video, and it's going to be way easier to come up with prompt ideas that then we can feed into these AI tools that are going to help us generate the B-roll content. So you copy the transcript right here, and then let's go into ChatGPT. So now we're in ChatGPT, and we're going to paste this prompt. We're going to say, generate B-roll prompts for platforms like Flux and Halio. I need a few images and videos that will go well with the script below. Do not mention the product. The B-roll needs to be generic and not product focused. And here we have the script of the video that we copied from the script. So let's send the message and see what it comes up with. So it came up with some very cool ideas. First, it came up with some B-roll image prompts, and second, it came up with some video prompts. So now that we have the prompts, let's copy them and generate images. Let's go with the first one. We open up Flux. We make sure that the aspect ratio is 9:16. And then we'll go for raw and generate. Let's see what it comes up with. Oh, this is a cool picture. We could definitely use this. Now let's try the second prompt. Run it. And in here, we're using the Flux Pro model from Fal.ai. And here's another picture of a group of people just drinking electrolytes, in this case, colorful bottles under the summer sun. So we download that. The third one is a picnic setup. Let's see what it comes up with. If you do not know what Fal.ai is, again, I'll invite you to discover it yourself. All you have to do is go to Fal.ai and then just look for the Flux Pro model, the version 1.1 Ultra. This is going to give you the highest resolution images, as this model maintains professional grade image quality while delivering up to 2K resolution with improved photorealism. This is the best model that exists out there. There's nothing better than this. Like, this is insane. Look how real it looks. So let's download this. The other prompt is Anthony takes a break under the water necessary during the sunny day without inside the background. Let's paste it and see what it comes up with. Okay, cool. Let's download it. The last one is a minimalistic table setup with colorful drink bottles, fresh circuit fruits, and scattered ice cubes photographed under soft natural light. Let's run it. There's multiple ways of creating B-roll, by the way. Oh, this is cute. Let's download this. Cool. So now we're done with Flux. We're done with generating images, right? We're done with AI generated images. We generated all the 5 images that we needed. Now let's just go over and generate some video B-roll. What we're going to do is we're going to use I don't know how to say that, and just copy the prompt from ChatGPT, go over to create, and let's go to text to video and hit generate. So we're going to have to wait a bit here because it takes up to 5 minutes to generate a piece of content. So cool, I waited 5 minutes and here are the results. I generated all the prompts from the B-roll video prompts that ChatGPT suggested us that we generate. Looks quite cool. Like, look at the quality. It's very nice. Look at this lady here. I don't know what this is particularly, but whatever, you know, like ChatGPT said so I'll just use it. And this one here, wow, this is insane, guys. Oh, look at this guy. Wait. What is this hairstyle? I kind of like it. Okay, so we're going to download all these videos and we're going to put everything on CapCut. So I added the AI B-roll right here, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some captions so it feels more authentic. It feels like an actual real UGC. So we're going to go over to text and auto captions and generate captions in English. I'm going to let it do its thing for a second. Okay, now the captions are all generated. I'm going to fast forward and fix all the little details here. So I stylized the captions so they look like from a TikTok video. And also I've added background music and of course the AI generated B-roll. Let's take a look at the final product.
Guys, so I just got to try this Prime drink and let me tell you, flavor insane. The hydration is next level. Honestly, this is crazy. If you haven't tried it yet, what are you waiting for? Go grab one and thank me later.
And let's not forget what the actual video looked like before the training.
Hi friends. This is an example of me holding a product like this Prime bottle over here.
Guys, so I just got to try this Prime drink and let me tell you, flavor insane. The hydration is next level. Honestly,
it's pretty cool if you ask me. So I want to show you something very cool. This that you see right here is what training your model looks like. In this case, this is my video, right? So what you're seeing is a mask, a mesh mask that's applied by the AI that's mapping my facial movements with precision in real time. So each dot represents a tracking point, allowing the system to capture even the most subtle expression, especially around the lips. And that's why it takes around 2 to 4 hours to get the training right, because the AI is going through different layers of your face and tracking different movements in order for it to be extremely accurate. And I just think this is so fucking epic. Great. So we have successfully trained our AI actor holding a product. That's me. And in this case, we've successfully also edited our first UGC video from start to finish. Now, you can create as many variations of the same video as you'd like, or record yourself in different settings and train your actor again for more dynamic content creation. But in a moment, I'll show you how you can generate multiple variations of the same exact video using the face swapping technique. But first, let's just break down the workflow step by step. So this is what we've done so far. We have trained our real actor. That's me. So first, we recorded a video of myself, or it could be someone else. Then we went to LibDub to train the actor. Then after, we went to ChatGPT to write a script. After writing a script, there's two options we can choose from. We can either go and record a voiceover of the script with our own phone, or we can go and generate a voiceover of the script with 11 Labs, meaning that we're generating a voiceover from text to speech instead of actually recording it ourselves. We're having AI help us generate the audio. Now, if we decide that we want to record a voiceover of the script ourselves and not generate it from text, there's two other options that we can opt for. Either we upload our recording directly into LibDub to generate a video, or we go to 11 Labs to change the voice of our recording if needed. If we decide that we want to generate a voiceover of the script with 11 Labs, and again, we do the same thing and we upload the new audio on LibDub and generate a video out of it. Now, after we have our video generated, we bring the video to the script. Why we do that is so that we transcribe the script of the video, so then we're able to generate B-roll out of it. So after we transcribe the video, we copy it, we go to ChatGPT, we paste it, and we ask ChatGPT to give us some B-roll scripts. Then we go into Flux or Halio to generate B-roll from those scripts, download those B-roll, and I forgot, but let's do it right now. We finalize everything by going to CapCut to edit the final video. So this is what the workflow looks like.